Alright, this free tutorial is going to be Adobe Photoshop CC Film Grain effect completely for free. Once you have your image loaded, it's going to look a little bit dark, so we're going to make the image adjustments. Then click brightness. We're going to add a contrast just a little bit. Okay, the next effect here is you want to go to filter and then go underneath and add some noise. And basically what this looks like, the noise is we'll have a little bit of a form of a Gaussian blur. You can adjust this like so. You don't want to go too much. You want to make this look uniform or even Gaussian. Okay, I'm going to keep it like that and then do monochromatic. All right, the next step is you want to go underneath filter, filter gallery. This is where we're going to add the real grain effect, so it looks pretty cool. You want to add something called right here, as you can see, then go underneath to texture, and then it's going to be right here, green. For the second option, okay, you can see you can mess around with the intensity, and if you move it to the left, it adds it like that. Leave it to the right, it adds more. And the same thing with contrast. I'm actually going to add a little bit of a punch of contrast. You want to right click on your image, make sure it's still selected, and then click here, then go back to image adjustments and then go to desaturate so the image is desaturated. And I'm going to go under here and click this little circle, click the gradient map, and then click this, and then click at the bottom right, and then we're going to change the color, make this a little bit of punch of red, so it makes the image look a little something like this. You can click on reverse dither, and this is the before. And then this is the after, completely for free in Adobe Photoshop CC.